Vincent, ENRC's been in the news for better or for worse for the last 12 months or so. Are we getting close to the end of the story now that this consortium's made an offer this morning, confirmed?
Well, we may be. I mean, just to recap, I mean, there's been a whole lot of corporate governance issues surrounding ENRC going back over a good while. The share price has really tanked over the last sort of couple of years. You know, it used to be that this company used to be worth $20 billion. It's now worth about $5. Even though it's bigger now than it was when it was worth 20. So there's been an awful lot of value lost from ENRC. Minority shareholders who own about 18% of it have suffered a great deal. This may be the beginning of the end of the saga, but the offer is so lowball that it's unlikely to work by itself.
And why did they pitch it as low as they did? What's their thinking, do you think?
I think the thinking is that they essentially can. I mean, the three founding shareholders of ENRC and the government of Kazakhstan, between them, own well over 50% of the company. And Kazakmys, which is another Kazakh mining company, has a 26% stake. So, you know, 75%, 80% of the company is already spoken for. And I think they are trying to buy back the other 20% for as cheap a price as possible. As you know, I guess it's perfectly understandable. But I don't think it's going to work. I mean, they're offering essentially $1.6 billion in cash and a stake in Kazakmys. It doesn't seem to have excited anybody so far.
Certainly hard to imagine who these remaining minority shareholders are and what their mindset is likely to be. I mean, you'd almost think it's time to throw in the towel for a company.
Well, exactly. I guess it depends on whether they're long or short. You know, I mean, there can't be too many investors left in ENRC who are nursing large losses. I would have thought that they'd have gotten out a long time ago. But I mean, even if it's, you know, and if they're short, this offer is not going to do it for them either. You know, this is not what they were expecting.
So the board came out today and rejected it. What happens now, finally?
Absolutely. Well, the takeover panel has given an extension of a couple of weeks to see whether another bid is and a revised offer will be forthcoming. We'll have to wait and see. I mean, it's you know, I think that these assets will never be really valued properly in this offer.
Well, never has so much been written about a company that's now so small, and we'll look forward to seeing how this saga continues. Thanks very much, Vincent.